In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a mouse cursor that moves on its own. It's a common issue that can be incredibly frustrating, but don't worry, I've got the solution for you right here. We're going to go through this step-by-step process together, and it's going to take just about 5 minutes. Let's begin by addressing one of the most common culprits, the mouse and touchpad drivers. First, navigate to your device manager. This can be done by searching for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Once you're there, find the section for mice and other pointing devices. Expand this section and right-click on your mouse device. Select Update Driver and follow the prompts to ensure your drivers are up to date. This is a crucial step because outdated drivers can often cause erratic cursor movements. Next up, we're going to delve into some settings adjustments. Open your control panel. You can easily find this by searching for Control Panel in the search bar. Once it's open, click on the Hardware and Sound option. After that, locate and click on Mouse. Here, you will see a tab labeled Pointers. Click on this tab and make sure to select Use Default. This ensures you're using the recommended pointer settings, which can help stabilize any anomalies. Now, switch to the Pointer Options tab. Here, you might want to take a moment to adjust your pointer's speed. Sometimes the speed settings are too high, causing unintended movements. Experiment with different speeds to find the one that feels just right for you. While you're still in the Pointer Options tab, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Uncheck this option. Although this feature is designed to improve the accuracy of pointer movements, it can occasionally lead to erratic behavior depending on your system configuration. Another setting to consider is the Hide Pointer While Typing option. Go ahead and uncheck this box, as hiding the pointer during typing can inadvertently cause issues with its visibility and movement. After tweaking these settings, be sure to click Apply and OK to save all your changes. This solidifies your modifications and sets the configurations in motion. Finally, while it might seem simple, don't forget to restart your computer once you've made these changes. A quick reboot helps ensure that all updates and settings adjustments take effect smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, your mouse should behave as expected without any unwanted movements. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and remember, technology issues can often be fixed with just a bit of patience and the right guidance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.